here. I have a pen of 5 or 6 bucklings, and then a pen of 4 senior bucks. So with all the snow, they've not really been able to go out and eat. So we've been giving a lot of hay over the past. The snow arrived, I think, on January 5th. So since then, we've been giving them hay pretty often. How about you guys? Is it warm where you are right now? I think it's 33 degrees. So it's definitely a warm up from the temperatures that we've seen previously. So they really love this alfalfa hay. Oh. Turn on some lights. This one is kind of hard to reach. I'm not sure why we have it set up this way. We built this barn last year and we're still adding things. Hi, Cecily, why aren't you eating? We are getting excited for babies. I've not had baby goats born here since July 3rd. That was when Cecily had her quadruplets. And now they're all getting pretty big. So Nutmeg is due, tomorrow is her due date. Are you being mean? Don't be grouchy. These are the quads from July. So you can see they've grown up. They're having a big fight. So she doesn't really look like she's going to have the kids today, I would say. Usually right before she has the kids, her udder gets really tight and full. So she's an older doe, so kind of know what to expect with her. Good morning, Puss in Boots. Oh, really? You are so nosy. You're the nosiest. So tonight we'll probably separate Nutmeg. If she's in the kidding room, the cameras are set up where it's easier to see her from both sides. If she's in the main goat run, there's spots where you can't really see them very well. So if I check the cameras in the middle of the night, then I can't really get a good idea of which one she is or where she is at. I do sell goats, believe it or not. I have sold a lot of bucklings because I've had a lot of bucklings born. Last year I had 33 kids born here and 22 of them were bucks. So that was 11 does. I actually did keep all 11 does. So we had brought a few new bucks in, so I was really excited to use them and to see what they would do for us.